everybody, it's such a nice day today that Ella and I decided to come out and teach you a nature project. Today we are going to be doing a dandelion project, and we are going to be doing them using something I know you all have, toilet paper rolls. So grab yourself one or two of those. You're going to need scissors. You will need white paint and about 5 to 6 Q-tips and a rubber band to hold them together, okay? You will also need a dark colored construction paper. I'm going to be using black. Ella will be using blue. We were gonna try it out on yellow. We'll have to see if that's gonna work. So go grab your supplies and meet us back here. Okay, so before we get started, we have to put together a few of the tools that we are going to use in order to do our dandelion painting. And that is your Q-tips first. You're gonna take these and you're just going to hold them together with your rubber band, okay? So go ahead and do that and just put it aside. Try to make sure that they're nice and flat. Okay. That's good. And then our toilet paper roll. What we are doing is we are making our toilet paper roll look like this. So you're going to take the toilet paper roll and you're going to cut not lots of lines, as thin as you can. And you are creating all the little parts of your dandelion. So the thinner you go, the cooler it's going to look. And it's okay if they're not all the same. That's going to make it look more organic. So there you go. And basically you're going to do this the whole way around and push it up like that, and your finished result will look like that. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so we are back, and here is my plate of white paint. I have completed my toilet paper dandelion, and I am actually going to be dipping into my paint. I'm going to go around. I don't want to like just saturate it in there because then it'll come out clumpy on your paper. So you want to make sure it's all coated pretty good. Then we will take it, and we should be able to fit 2 on the page. So we're going to start in this corner right here, and we are going to do one stamp. Then we're going to rotate it around and do another stamp, and you just kind of go in circles a little bit. Okay. That's pretty good. Then we'll do another one about right here. And I don't even have to dip again, so I'm going to go around maybe like 3 times until I'm happy with the way that it looks, okay? That looks pretty good to me. So we're going to do that. Now, so I forgot to mention that you should try to find a little paintbrush, something like this, but it's something as small as you can find. And you're next going to do one little dot in the center of each circle. Then you will find a top to a water bottle, or even the top to your glue stick, or something small and round, and you will dip it in your paint and then stamp that on the center. Okay? So after that, you will use your brush, and you will just very lightly, you don't want these heavy at all, will come in and almost do like rays coming from the center, like you do on a sun, but from the very center, from that dot you drew. You're just going to wisp it out almost like a star. Okay, you will do that on each one very lightly. Don't worry if some are skinny and some are thick. You're just going to wisp them around, make them look like they're connected to those starbursts that you already created, okay? All right. You will then do your stems, and you can do the stems however you want, but I would recommend not doing them very heavy, just very thin and light, just like that. All right, so now is where we come in with our Q-tip bunch, okay? You're going to dip those, and you will come along on the inside with these and just start putting them around like this. And you will also put these on the outside of your dandelion. And you don't want to really do this in a big pattern. You just want to kind of make them look like they are floating on here, like this. Okay, and we're going to make them look like they are floating in the wind, and we're going to be having them go in this direction. Okay, so I'm going to start putting a few more here and just make them look like they're going down this way. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to this like that. And I kind of like to do them like they're blowing in the wind when I start running out of paint. I like to make them look like they're kind of disappearing into nothingness. And then we'll put some in the center right here. All right, and there you go. You can put more in the wind, you can put less, but that gives you a beautiful feel of a dandelion blowing in the wind. So experiment with it. You can do your toilet paper rolls where you don't cut some as deep as the others, so it'll look like a smaller dandelion. You could maybe cut it, make your toilet paper rolls smaller and make it look like baby dandelions. Just play around with it, see what you come up with. So Ella and I will, in a second, show you our finished products. We'll be right back. All right, so we are finished, and we hope that yours came out good. Here's mine. And Ella did the complete opposite. Move it on a little bit. She did kind of a sunset with a horizon, and her dandelions are blowing up instead of down. And here's mine. And we would love to see yours. So go ahead and post them, and don't forget to subscribe to Tweety Bashman on YouTube, okay? Thanks so much. See y'all later. Bye.